To zoom in 15 times on an iPhone, you will need to enable the zoom feature and then use the digital zoom. Start by going to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Accessibility, and then tap on Zoom. Toggle the switch next to Zoom to the right to enable it. Now, to zoom in, double tap with 3 fingers on the screen. You can also use 3 fingers to move the zoom lens around the screen by dragging them. To zoom out, double tap with 3 fingers again. To zoom in 15 times, you will need to use the Camera app. Open the Camera app and make sure you are in photo mode. Tap the 1x button at the bottom of the screen to switch to the telephoto lens if your iPhone has one. Then use the slider to zoom in digitally. Alternatively, you can also use the pinch to zoom gesture to zoom in and out. Place 2 fingers together on the screen and then move them apart to zoom in and bring them together to zoom out. Keep zooming in until you reach 15 times zoom. Note that the maximum zoom level may vary depending on the iPhone model. Some models may have a higher maximum zoom level than others. It is also worth noting that digital zoom may affect the image quality, so it is best to use it sparingly.